Are you ready to learn why machine learning is your ticket to future-proofing your career in 2024? Let's break it down today. First things first, what exactly is machine learning? Imagine a computer that gets smarter by itself. Machine learning is like that. It uses data to learn and improve at tasks, like recognizing faces or recommending movies, without needing tons of specific instructions. And why should you care about machine learning, especially right now? Here are some reasons. Lots of job opportunities. You don't need a degree to work as a machine learning specialist. Companies are begging for people who can help them crunch data, predict trends, and work magic with numbers. According to Glassdoor.com, the average salary for a machine learning engineer in the United States is $166,000 per year. Machine learning skills are highly valuable across various fields, such as programming, data science, and computer engineering. They are particularly essential for those interested in robotics. However, the applications of machine learning extend beyond the tech industry. For instance, linguists utilize machine learning to monitor the evolution of languages and dialects. Moreover, business departments like marketing, accounting, logistics, and purchasing are increasingly reliant on machine learning experts to inform their decision-making processes. With proficiency in machine learning, individuals can gain a competitive edge in almost any role, as predictive modeling plays a crucial role in addressing business needs. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, the demand for AI and machine learning specialists is expected to grow by 40% or 1 million jobs as the usage of AI and machine learning drives continued industry transformation. Machine learning works everywhere. Machine learning isn't picky about where it works. Whether you're into healthcare, finance, entertainment, or even farming, there's a place for machine learning to shine. It's like having a superpower that's useful in pretty much any industry you can think of. Machine learning makes life easier. Ever wished you had a personal assistant to take care of all the boring stuff so you can focus on the fun stuff? Well, that's pretty much what machine learning does. It automates all the repetitive tasks, speeds up decision-making, and frees up your time to do more important things, like binge-watching your favorite show. Creativity. Machine learning isn't just about crunching numbers and analyzing data. It's also about coming up with fun new ideas and solving tricky problems. Whether it's building self-driving cars, recommending your next favorite song, or keeping your online account safe from hackers, machine learning is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Data explosion. We're generating more data than ever before, and machine learning is the key to unlocking its potential for better decision-making and innovation. Always learning. Machine learning is like a never-ending adventure. There's always something new to learn, whether it's an interesting new algorithm or a clever trick to make your models even smarter. So, if you're into lifelong learning and love a good challenge, machine learning is the place to be. But what about the long-term perks? Well, get ready, as significant benefits are awaiting you in the future. Future-proof your career. In a world where technology is changing faster than you can say machine learning, having machine learning skills is like having a secret weapon against obsolescence. No matter how much the world changes, you'll always be in demand. Job flexibility. With machine learning skills under your belt, you're not just limited to one industry or job role. You can hop around wherever the wind takes you, whether it's analyzing data for a big corporation, launching your startup, or even using your skills for social good. Be your own boss. Speaking of startups, machine learning opens up a world of entrepreneurial opportunities. Got a great idea for a new app or product? With machine learning, you can turn that dream into reality and maybe even strike it rich. Lead the pack. As machine learning becomes more mainstream, having deep expertise in the field can put you in a position of leadership and influence. You'll be the go-to person for all things machine learning, shaping the future of technology and making a real difference in the world. Make a difference. Last but not least, machine learning isn't just about making money or climbing the career ladder. It's also about using your skills for good, whether it's helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, predicting natural disasters before they happen, or fighting climate change one algorithm at a time. Where to start and AI-proof your career? Websites like oneforma.com, datavio.ai, and dataannotation.tech may offer opportunities for individuals with machine learning skills to find freelance or remote work. And individuals without machine learning skills can start gaining experience on this platform through their remote work opportunities. You can earn $20 per hour on dataannotation.tech by working on their projects. Here are some reasons why someone might choose to apply for jobs on such platforms. Diverse opportunities. These platforms could host a variety of projects spanning different industries that demand machine learning expertise, enabling you to acquire new machine learning skills. This diversity can provide exposure to different applications of machine learning and expand your skill set. Remote work. Many jobs on these platforms offer remote work opportunities, allowing individuals to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility can be attractive for those who prefer to work from home or desire a location-independent lifestyle. Freelance opportunities. Freelancing through these platforms can offer flexibility in terms of project selection, working hours, and workload. It allows you to have more control over your schedule and the projects you work on. Building your portfolio and experience. Working on projects through these platforms can help you build your portfolio and gain valuable experience in the field of machine learning. This experience can be beneficial for future job opportunities and career advancement. Networking. Engaging with clients and other freelancers on these platforms can help you expand your professional network, potentially leading to more opportunities and collaborations in the future. However, it's essential to thoroughly research and vet any platform before applying for jobs or accepting projects to ensure they align with your goals, values, and expectations. And always be cautious of potential scams or low-quality opportunities and prioritize platforms with a good reputation and track record. Future-proof your career with a certificate. Is machine learning easy to learn? With beginner courses like those offered by DataCamp, it can be a lot of fun and pretty straightforward to get started. Within weeks, you'll be creating models, making predictions, and gaining insights, all while building a solid foundation in Python, R, and the basics of artificial intelligence. However, as you progress, the learning curve does get steeper. Machine learning careers require a deeper understanding of statistics, math, and software engineering. But fear not. DataCamp has you covered with courses that can help you master these skills. Machine learning skills are in high demand, and you don't need to be a math genius to get started. DataCamp's courses cover everything you need to know, and their instructors are much friendlier than your high school calculus teacher. So, whether you're looking to advance your career or simply add value to your existing role, learning machine learning with DataCamp is a smart choice. You don't need to download any software. All the tools you need are right at your fingertips, making learning convenient and hassle-free. How to get started? You can start with the basics, which offers free access with some limitations. The first chapter of every course is free, along with access to a free professional profile and job board. Then, upgrade to the premium option to earn your certificates. The premium option is designed just for individuals like you. It's priced at $27 per month when billed annually, or it's priced at $42 when billed monthly. You'll get access to their complete content library, earn all certificates and complete projects, transform from beginner to job ready, explore their top programs in Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and R, and discover even more ways to master coding. For machine learning specialist roles, practical experience is king. Working at online platforms like dataannotation.tech will give you hands-on skills and knowledge that employers value. But certificates from prestigious universities or online platforms with a strong reputation in machine learning might hold some weight with employers and show your interest in machine learning and foundational knowledge. Ideally, you can combine both for a well-rounded machine learning specialist. And there you have it. Why machine learning is your ticket to success in 2024 and beyond. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. There's never been a better time to jump on the machine learning bandwagon. The link to all the information you need is in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.